Hey everybody, I'm Nick and I'm with Nick. So we want to talk about the Diablo circ saw blades. They're obviously one of the best in the industry in my opinion, and I'm sure it's in your opinion as well. So I think one of the first things that really makes you stand out from the industry is that you do everything in-house.
So Freud Diablo, we are the only company who makes our own carbide through wood and metal applications, as well as aluminum. That allows for better performance and longer lasting performance as well.
What's really strikes me as odd is that you guys do all this stuff in-house. To me, that screams more expensive, but you somehow manage to not be more expensive. How is that even possible?
We measure everything in cost per cut. That's the real metric we determine is out in the field on job sites, is saving end users dollars per cut.
So in addition to the unique carbide setup that you guys have, that red blade isn't just because it looks sweet. Like what's that all about? What's that coating about?
Yeah, so the red does look very cool, but we call it perma-shield coating. So that red coating actually serves a purpose. So it keeps that blade cool. So when you're cutting through metal or wood, it keeps that heat down. And heat is the #1 killer of all blades. It kills carbide, it kills the performance of the blade, so the cooler we can keep the blade, the longer it'll last.
Now a lot of manufacturers, they use a stamping method for their blades, but Diablo said, no, we're gonna do laser cuts.
For us, we try to do everything a little different, a little better than the competition, so we laser cut all of our circular saw blades. So with that, every blade is identical, so there's no differentiating performance between one blade and another. All blades are exactly the same. So today we're doing some demos with our Steel Demon circular saw blades. We've got that in every diameter from 5 3/8 up to about 14 inches.
So with the cut that you performed for us today, that looked like a really clean cut. And normally to get that kind of finish, you would need to go back through with a grinder or something.
Yeah, so when we measure things off of that cost per cut, the quicker you can make that cut, the more money it ends up saving you. So with our blades, make a cut, it's a smooth finish, so it's a one-step process.
So there you have it. There is the one of the industry's top blade manufacturers. What's the saying?
Most cuts per buck.
Most cuts per buck. You can find them in all the links below. And if you have any questions, throw us a comment. If you have any other questions, leave us a comment or give us a call or send us an email or write us a letter. Whatever you prefer, just get a hold of us and we'll help you out. If you're looking for even more content from us, subscribe to our channel or check out one of these videos here. Thank you for watching. Now get back to work. I love you.